Number 1, the type number 1 is choose the best answer. We have 4 options. Read the question and choose one of them. First one, what is the most important difference? For example, 나는 윤이에요 and 저는 윤이에요. What was the difference? Number 1, politeness, how polite we are. Number 2, how it sounds like. Of course, it is different. Feeling and accent. Okay, there are some possible answers, but you have to choose the most important difference. Okay, number 1, nice start. You achieved over 70. It's actually 86. Good job. 잘했어요. Yes, politeness was the answer. So if I introduce myself to you, what can I say? 저는, yes, I want to be polite and this is formal class, so I can say 저는. But if I'm talking to my friend, how can I say? 나는. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. Wow, so we are going to choose 이에요 or 예요, and there was a clue. What do we have to choose depending on something? So number 1, the ending. Number 2, how long is it? Number 3, what kind of the noun is it? And politeness again. Let's choose. Was it too easy? Okay, let's see. 70% again. What happened? It didn't happen before. Some students know what happens in our class usually. We cannot achieve over 70, but good job, nice start. Yes, the answer is number 1, the ending of the noun. So when it ends with a vowel, what do we choose? For example, my name, Yuni, or Leslie, Fiete, your names, Mira, you too. What do you choose? 이에요 or 예요? 예요, great. 예요. Yes, when it ends with a vowel, we will choose 예요. When it ends with a consonant, what do we choose? We have only one more option left. 이에요. Thank you. Ends with a consonant, we can say 이에요. Great. Number 3. If you watched our video, this question will be easy. So this is our Hristina. Sorry, I used your picture here. Okay, anyway, Divya asked Hristina 씨는 배우예요? What was her real job, not the fake job? 배우, 선생님, 학생, or 회사원? Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, number 3 and number 4 was top 2 question. Number 3, 학생. What is 학생? 학생? As a student. Number 5, celebrity, maybe. Okay, number 3, 학생, student. She's not student. She's too old to be a student anymore. No. And number 4, let's read number 4 together. 회사원, what is it? Do you remember the meaning of 회사원? Company worker or company employee. So NROUND, this is company and she's working for here. She is employee. So number 4 is the answer. And you also choose number 2, 선생님. What is 선생님? Teacher. Yeah, she teaches a lot, but she's not like official teacher yet. And number 1, 배우. Maybe she can be 배우 for some time, but not yet again. So number 4 was the answer, and let's move on to next question. Number 4, 은 and 는, it was the kind of particles. And there are so many kind of particles here, and what's their job? 은 and 는, is it place, subject, topic, or object? 74% people choose the answer, and let's see. Number 1, place. No, place microparticles. Anyone know what is place microparticles? It was not in our class, but if you know. 에란디? What's the place microparticle? Right. 맞아. That's why I chose you. 에란디. Yeah, sorry. Okay, how about number 2? Subject microparticle. What were the subject microparticles? Who knows the answer? It was not in our... 이엔가. Who was it? I don't know who. Dia, you got it. 이엔가. And what were the topic microparticles? 은 and 는. Good job, Clarissa. And yes, Malika, if this is your first time learning Korean, you're doing great. let's try to understand. And yeah, you guys are doing great. Okay, topic marker particles are 은 and 는. We put them after topic. So the answer was number 3. And object marker particle is something different. It will be on our Unicorn Korean next series. So number 4, under 70% again, 53, but still you did good job. You guys still have some more chance. Let's move on. 잘했어. Okay, next one we can write 선생님은, and we can write it. Yes, that's better. We can write it as 선생님은 to be more like native Korean. As I said, 선생님은, we can write it to be more like native Korean. Again, right, true or false. 63% chose true. Can I write 선생님은 like this? The answer is false. False. Yes, we can say it, we can pronounce it, or you can speak it out. But when we write it, we write it like this. But when we say it, we can pronounce it like 선생님은. So I said 정국. I used 정국, his name in the class. 정국은 will be attached after that. But when we read it, okay, let's read this like a native Korean. Turn your mic on. 3, 2, 1. 정국은, like this. Okay, I understand you want to call me 선생님, but yes, 정국. 정국 was 정국은. That's how to read it or pronounce it, but not write it. Good job. 잘했어요. Next one. We only have 3 more questions, and I don't think you guys will achieve over 70%, but let's try our best. Okay, the next question is this. This is super easy. I hope you can do it. So we are going to choose one of the topic marker particles. It ends with a vowel. I gave you a big hint. Ends with a vowel. Let's choose 은 or 는. The answer was also great. 친구는, the blue is the answer. It was the answer. Again, 은 and 는, these two words, something we put after a topic. And when it ends with a vowel, we will choose 는. When it ends with a consonant, it means it has something under there. In that case, we will choose 는. Opposite. 은. So, 친구는 학생이에요. Okay, two more. What was this? This one is a doctor. And how can we call doctor in Korean? And you got the answer over 70, right? Again, 78%. Yes, 의사 is a doctor. 의사 is a doctor. And what about 요리사? Do you know what is 요리사? Chef or cook? Chef, good job. Okay, the last quiz, last chance to achieve more than 70%. And yes, if you can read Hangul, I believe this will be super easy. Wow. Great. And let's see, how did we do YouTuber? Yes, the blue is the answer. She is YouTuber. And what is 대통령? This was not easy. What is 대통령? President. Maybe. What? Such a big clue, right? YouTuber, right?